And honestly, all this is about the belief in the unseen. That's it. Iman billah. Alif lam mim dhalika al-kitabu la rayba fi hudan lil muttaqin alladhina yu'minuna bil ghaib. Soon as Allah speaks about the muttaqin, first quality, that they have this firm conviction in the unseen. Shaitan promises you. Shaitan promises me. What does he promise? You know, come Jummah right at the end, you got to go back to work. Asr, okay, you done your Jummah, fine. One salah in a week, fine. Done, enough. Now you're back at work. Maghrib, busy. Isha, busy. Fajr, you sleep. Zakat time, oh yeah, zakat, you can do some ta'weel. You have beef with your parents, you have beef with your wife, anybody. Shaitan in my and your demented mind justifies it for us. Justifies it. That's what we do. Allah says forgive. You want Allah to forgive you, but you don't want to forgive. But Shaitan justifies it. But the same Shaitan will say, I had no sultan upon you. I had no authority upon you. Blame yourself. Don't blame me. You know, when something goes wrong at work, or something goes wrong and you lose some money or something happens, you want to blame the other person. If it's somebody else's fault. Imagine on that day, how you will want to blame Shaitan, but Shaitan will say, don't blame me, blame yourself. So this belief in the unseen,